Hello and welcome back. Yeah, we're going to deploy a deep learning model. I don't want to waste too much time. I already trained it in this library, Jupyter Lab, with TensorFlow. Okay. So here it is. I had already previously deployed it before, and as you guys remember, you got to create a bucket, and then only this time, I want to save some time. You got to download not as an H5 file, you got to save it, but you just got to save the model as the PB and all that. Okay, so we're going to create a new version after you had already previously put it in the bucket, of course. We're going to call this snake red. Let's see. Yeah, TensorFlow. So we're going to go with TensorFlow 2.4. Okay. Ah. Okay, out of all the models. Okay. Snake red, mine. As you see, this is what you're supposed to save. Okay. And select. We're good to go. You see the green? That's not necessary. Now, of course, these things are expensive to deploy even for practice, so we're not going to do a prediction. And there's no point in us sitting around waiting. This is how you simply deploy a deep learning model. This will save you a lot of time on the notebook. That's why Google came out with this.